guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know you're wondering, has Mudhoni become little? No, it's just her little sister, a little sissy. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to click the bell button. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment. You see, don't forget, enjoy and have a nice time. BeatsbyShahed.
And as we usually do, we have to do a test before the end of every video. If you are a subscriber, you know that. If you're new here, karibu sana, please do subscribe. I do videos every single week, and today we decided to do this breakfast recipe, but I really enjoy, so we have to do a taste test, and you guys you need to make this thing. I don't know if you can see the inside. Mm. Mm. The spices plus the salt plus all the ingredients, they really do come together. This is such a nice meal. This is such a nice breakfast recipe that I urge you guys to try. Really do try it. It's really simple. Just a few minutes and voila, you're done. Breakfast. So without too much further ado, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. It really supports my channel. Don't forget to like, comment down below what you thought about the video and what kind of videos you want to see next. Till next time, guys. Bye.